In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a gap like this in your wood plank floors. Let's get started. Step 1 is to wipe the floor with a damp cloth and dry the area. Be careful not to get any water in the gap. Step number 2 is to vacuum out the gap between the two boards. Using a utility knife can help to remove any stuck dirt or gunk that has built up in the corners over time. It is very important to make sure the gap is cleaned thoroughly. Step number 3 is to take a small 2x4 board, 6 inches or more in length, and use double-sided tape to stick it to the board that needs to be moved back into place. Step number 4 is to put some exterior rated wood glue in the gap. Step number 5, put your full body weight on the wood plank that you don't want to move, and reach down with a hammer and gently hit the end of the board you taped down earlier, and the plank should slide into place. Step number 6 is to wipe off the excess glue with a damp rag. At this point, you can put some masking tape across the two planks to hold them together if it's in a high traffic area. Don't forget to like and subscribe.